Hello everyone, welcome back to Groove Design Lab. If you want to improve your SolidWorks skill through practical, mechanical drawing exercises, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will create exercise 10 from the 2D engineering drawing and convert into a complete 3D model step by step. This tutorial beginner friendly and make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. You can see here in exercise 10 the multiple circular bosses and holes and a slot feature tangent arc with different radii. Section A showing the thickness and boss height. Understanding the drawing first will help us to model the part accurately. Now open a new part in SolidWorks and take a plane like a front plane and then a sketch. First we will create some reference line and then after we will create the circle. Right here the circle die is 30 mm. You can see in exercise 10. Uh, Give the relation between these 2 points is coincident. Make two circles here. First one is 15 mm and then second one is 30 mm. And then take a straight slot between these 2 points, and these dimensions are the radius is 12 mm, so dia is 12 mm, and the slot distance from this point to this point is 40 mm, and from this to this is 90 mm. Here the distance between these two lines 40 mm. Is only 85 mm. This swing is underdefined. We can select these 2 points and make the relation coincident. You can show, and this line and this line is coincident. You can show here this fully defined. Create two circles at here. You can show. You can see here the two circles at radius 30 and dia 40. First one is dia 40 and the second net has here dia 60. And make a center line at any point. Make the relation between these lines is tangent, select from for arc, select 3-point arc at any point. And the radius is 50 mm of this arc. Make the relation between these two lines is tangent, and cut the extra part for trim entities. At here you can see okay. Delete any dimension, it will show is fully defined. And then extrude it, right? So go to features tab, extrude boss base up to 15 mm. So press enter key and then open. You can see here a sketch. Select this corner and convert entities, and then create a new circle of 20 mm dia. Go to features tab, extrude boss base, extrude it up to 20 mm. You can see. You can see this exercise in 2D drawing, and see here in isometric view. Go to orientation and select isometric view. Verify all dimensions. Double tap on this exercise. It shows all the dimension. Your exercise 10 model is now complete. Congratulations, you have successfully created SOLIDWORKS Exercise 10 from a 2D drawing. If you found in this tutorial helpful, please like the video, comment your doubts or suggestion. Subscribe to Good Design Lab for more SOLIDWORKS exercises every week. Thank you for watching, and you will see you in next tutorial. Thank you. Go to Edit Appearance and select any colors to color these components for better view. Thank you guys.